Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make frosted Christmas sugar cookies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the softened butter and sugar and cream them for a few minutes on high speed. Keep in mind that the more air you beat into it, the more they will spread in the oven. Scrape down the sides when needed to ensure even mixing. Then add in the egg and vanilla extract and beat them on high speed for another minute. Scraping down the sides when needed. Then in a separate medium bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar mixture. Mix it slowly at first. Then mix it until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixed in. Then scoop them out onto an ungreased baking pan, spacing them out at least 1.5 inches. Use the palm of your hands to press and flatten the top. And bake them in the oven for 6 to 10 minutes, just until the centers are set, but not until they're brown. They will firm and crisp up a lot as they cool, so try not to bake them until they start to brown, unless you want really crisp cookies. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. To make the frosting, in a medium bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for a few minutes until it's really light and pale. Then sift in the powdered sugar. Mix it in by hand at first. Loosen it up with 1 tablespoon of milk. And beat it with the electric mixer until they're well combined. Add in more milk until it reaches a frosting-like consistency. Divide the frosting into 2 separate bowls. Color one of them red and the other one green. Once the cookies are completely cool, spread the frosting on top of them and immediately add on sprinkles so they stick before the frosting sets. And just do that for the rest of them. And that's how to make frosted Christmas sugar cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.